Hello. As always, welcome to this monthly lottery reading. Each month, I've got this bowl full of names, and I pull one name, and that person receives a reading. So if you're interested in joining this event next month, I recommend that you check out the description box below, which is where you'll find my website where you can join. Or you can do it over Patreon as well, but that's an option that is going to go away in a bit. I'm planning on removing myself from Patreon for good, but that's still in the works. Anyway, sit back, enjoy, and relax. So here we are. You can listen to the sounds of these little slips of paper. And we've got the person who will receive the reading, and it's going to be Noelle. Congratulations, Noelle. Let's get to your reading. So Noelle is a long-term supporter of mine, which I'm very grateful for. And we've had several readings together over the years. And they have received many of these lottery readings from me as well, because they have a triple chance. They are in that tier. And so again, if you guys are interested in receiving a short video each month, plus getting the chance to receive a public reading like this that is still personal, then maybe this lottery tier is for you. So anyway, Noelle, we are going to dive into your reading. And I thought we could do an affirmations reading. So I'm going to give the cards a bit of a shuffle. And then fan the cards. And we will pull one card, which is going to represent the foundation. It's going to represent the energetic foundation of our reading today. So what is it that is the starting point of our affirmations reading today? Let's see what it is. Here we go. The Page of Swords. The information that you're looking for to complete your understanding and knowledge is out there. It is accessible to you, Noelle. It is on the way. You will receive it. It's coming. What is important for you to do at this point is to relax in this moment, in this present moment. And if you don't mind, we've got some other people here with us who will connect with their present moment as well. And we are going to ask them to focus their intention on helping you. Okay? So everyone else who is watching this reading for Noelle, I would like to ask you guys to close your eyes. So we're all closing our eyes right now, if that's comfortable for everyone. If not, that's okay too. The point is, we're slowing down our breathing. We're connecting with our bodies. We're connecting with the present moment. We are grounded in the present moment. And now, through each breath, you are connecting with this collective intention for Noelle to be able to acquire the missing piece of the puzzle, the information which is necessary for them to be able to move forward. So just keep breathing slowly, evenly, in and out. Observe the ebb and flow, the ups and downs, the wave quality of existence unfolding in each and every moment. So now that you're here, Noelle, with us, I would like you to turn your attention inward. And the following affirmations are going to help you to get closer to your goal. And we're here, all of us, supporting you on this journey. And guys, if you'd like, you can leave some comments, some encouraging, supportive comments in the comment section, because Noelle is going to see this video and it's probably going to be a great feeling to see your supportive words. So Noelle, back to you. With your attention turned inward, I'm going to say the following affirmations, and you can repeat them if you'd like, or you can just simply listen to them and make them part of your being, part of your energy right now. I am inquisitive and curious. My curiosity knows no bounds. Curiosity trumps fear. And the missing piece of information, which I've been looking for, is out there waiting for me. All I need to do is reach out. The questions I ask are straightforward and useful. My questions are an extension of my consciousness. They are tentacles reeling in wisdom, which is necessary in my current situation. I absorb the information which is coming my way, whether it's verbal or non-verbal, whether it's coming to me in a waking state or in my dreams. I am like a sponge. The knowledge which I've been craving is given to me because I am perceptive. everything can be figured out. And I'm working on obtaining the key. The key exists, and I'm here for it. I open my mind to listen to those who know better. I open my mind to listen to information which is unusual. I open my mind and I'm able to receive and integrate information which at first glance is unusual, hard to digest, but I'm here for it. I'm here to learn. This is a process, a learning curve, and I can freely make mistakes. Making mistakes is actually a sign of me learning. I'm here to know more about who I am and what my life means. I am in the right place, and I'm being supported by all these people, rooting for me, supporting me in my intention. I'm not alone. And this is a battle which is worth engaging in. This is a battle for more information. It's a noble cause. And I'm here for it. Thank you for watching, Noelle. Thank you, everyone, for staying here with us. Thank you for your encouragement, for your support. See you next time.